Hello everyone, my name is Pierre and I'm co-founder and CEO of InGel Therapeutics. Did you know that there are more than 250 million people in the world suffering from some sort of blindness due to retinal degenerative diseases? Most of these patients have no treatment, no cure, and they just dread the day when this last ray of light will enter their eyes and they will wake up one day permanently blind. So at InGel, we have one mission. We want to bring back light to these patients using our innovative cell therapy and tissue engineering solutions. Our technology is gene agnostic, has shown tremendous preclinical safety and efficacy, and can be used to treat many different diseases, such as retinitis pigmentosa or dry age-related macular degeneration. So please, if you're interested in learning more about what we do at InGel, come to talk to us afterwards, and I hope you can join us in our journey to bring back light to our patients. Thank you.